Greetings, Tech Wizards. Welcome back to Ryan's 3D Magic. Today we're going to be doing a step-by-step guide on how to use LeoCAD. LeoCAD is a 3D modeling software that allows you to make Lego models digitally. It's available on Windows, Mac, and even Linux. It's awesome for creating Lego instruction books for Lego mocks, and it's also really good in education environments for teaching young students. First, we're going to download LeoCAD. So we're going to put LeoCAD.org in our search, then go to their download page and select the version compatible with your operating system. Click download for Windows since we're using Windows, and then it's going to download up on the top right. After it's finished installing, we're going to go over to our search here and we're going to search for LeoCAD. We're going to open the application. Now that we're in LeoCAD, you're going to see the main workspace right here in the middle, and then our parts library is on the right. And then the color palette is right below down here in the bottom right hand corner. And then there's the various toolbars on the top, and then our part sorting tools on the side. And then in the top right of our work plane, we have our view sphere. In other CAD softwares, you'll see a view cube. Let's build a simple model to get started. So first, we're going to go and zoom into our work plane. And then we're going to just select some bricks on the right. So we'll grab maybe this one here. We'll put it on our work plane. And then after we've dragged our parts into our work plane, we can stack them on each other. You can alter the angle they're at, so you can change the rotations. And then we can move them, up and down, left, right, back and forth, every direction, just by dragging our mouse. Now to change the color of a brick, we're going to add our brick, and then we'll go down here. Let's say we want to make it this pink color, right? So we can actually just change it to that, right? And now it's going to be that pink color. LeoCAD also has a lot of advanced features that are really helpful. So one of the really cool ones is timeline. So to use the timeline, I got to put a couple more parts in here. So we'll add this bow of a boat. I'm in the boat section, so there's a lot of boat stuff. We'll do this part as well, and we'll just throw one of these in again, and just so we have a lot of parts. So then if we go to the timeline, you'll see which order each part was put in, and it'll also show what color. So if we put in different colors, it would list these in different colors as well. And you can go through and edit them, and then make step-by-step instructions for a Lego book. And then you can also format these to print out as Lego instructions. Once you're happy with your model, you can actually go export the file as a 3D model file. For example, if you wanted to 3D print it or just have the 3D model version of your CAD. So if we go up to File, we can Save As, and it will save as a LDR or LCD file type, which is the files that LeoCAD uses. So we'll just say New File, and that's okay. And then if you wanted to export it, you can export it in any of these file types here, which can be formatted for 3D printing. That's all for our tutorial today on LeoCAD. We hope that it helped give you a basic idea of how LeoCAD works, and make sure you post your 3D models in the comments. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.